Standing like wishing that everyone that you go. Morning!
Good morning, everybody!
Ay, Bildi kita bakit?
Moving out edition!
Katrina, this one's for you. Asan yung birds? So right now po, we don't know our campsite if we're on the right spot. What number are we ba?
47.
But we don't know. We don't sure right now. Di ka sure.
Okay.
Does this seem right to you?
I said yes, it's 47.
47.
Number what?
Number what? What? 47.
Gano'n ba kalaki yung six natin? Is that gonna fit in there or it has to be here?
Vlogger lang po ako dito.
Because I'm more like, kasi sa tali. This is the aluminum foil. At ready. Yeah, kaya diba? Kaya. Okay, so we can set up the tent here. Tapos ipaganon na lang. That's what your plan, right?
Slay.
Okay, beautiful.
Slay.
Paganyan.
Pag ganyan.
So nandito yung tent sa ilalim.
Yeah. Asa camperist? Asa camperist tayo?
The camping era. Girls power.
The camping made it out of the group chat. Do you need my help, Phil?
Mamaya, kapag ano na ipatayo yung tent. Vlogger ka, everyone. Keep mo para malaman nila yung mga pangyayari bago tayo matay.
Gil, mag-hi ka naman dito sa vlog. For the snubberest naman to.
Hi ka sa family.
I-message mo sa mga kay Taylor Swift.
Teka, nagpo-focus ako. Paano nga, Ali? Parang tumulong ka daw.
Ay, ako videohan mo.
Sige, tutulong na po siya for today's program. Itulak mo yung stick. Teka, wag mo na ngayon. Isa-isa lang tayo, guys. Kasi nagkakalituhan na po sa sticks natin for today's program. Isang side lang. Tulak. Go, Jo. Mas okay kapag pinupush mo, hindi nag-go. Ay, nag-ano siya. Teka, nag-divide.
Break away. Divide.
Wow!
Divide.
Ganda na quality dito, ah.
Diba?
Sorry po. Tutulong na po tayo.
Okay na pag wala nagpa-vlog, no?
Pull that. Pull that one. Hold the
Pull?
stick. Push lang.
Pull or
No,
pull?
it's stuck at the very end. It's... Yeah, there you go.
Okay, perfect.
I'm gonna push it towards you. Okay.
Why are you pushing?
Phil, nagdala ka ba ng tripod?
Yours is already in.
Gusto, ay! Gagi. Jollery, wait lang!
Sorry guys, mali yung instructions.
That's what I thought.
So, ilusot nyo dito, tapos etong stick na to, pasok nyo dito yung ganon.
That's what I thought, Biel.
Sorry.
Okay lang. Do you need help? Hindi pa Para sa mga hindi marunong to mag-camping, guys. Tinuturo na namin sa inyo. Huwag kayo mag-i-invite ng mga gantong tao. Please lang. Kung gusto niyo madali yung buhay niyo.
Parang wala na pangyayari. Inisipan.
Ito na nga. It's coming along. Biax, doon ka naman sa side ko.
Yung side mo, Ali.
Ito na nga po. Part natin.
Ito na kanina pa. Hindi nga pa siya tinatanong ko. Lagay ko na.
Ito na nga po ang tirahan natin. Okay, moment of truth po sa pinakamalaking mattress sa world.
Let's go, Biel.
Kasha ba, te?
Kasi yan.
That's gonna be
How to unroll po?
Ito na po ang housekeeping nyo. Pakitipan po later. Galing.
Ready na for the sleeping bed? Of course. So for now, guys, we're just planning the available tarp. The available tarp to cover our tent because
Might rain.
it might rain. Baka mag-Jolanis Morissette and we don't have equipment.
Farther back, para mas protected siya. Kasi tingnan mo.
Let's talk to our vlog then.
Hi guys!
Huh? It's okay, you can talk.
Hi friends!
My friends, so it's very rainy right now. Earlier setup worked very well for us.
faster than mine. You're getting notification.
Katrina Baynosa reacted to your story. Tawang-tawa ka lang, Katrina. Tawang-tawa ka lang.
mo, Katrina!
Hoy, Katrina! Ipakita mo yung mukha mo sa amin.
Sa buhay.
Oo nga.
Hindi yung
My
puro
God.
kasarap.
Hindi yung puro komportable lang lagi. Ganito din, magpakalamig-lamig ka. Tignan mo, we're so happy. Pakita niyo. Pakita niyo.
Tawa
Oo.
kayo kasi we're
Yeah, Katrina, kung nasan ka man, iniisip ka namin. Okay, and then we'll have dinner soon. After this, commercial break. Nasaan yung chips?
Over there.
Oh, perfect. Tingnan mo naman yung mga bear. Ang bilis umaksyon. Look at them building a fire. I'm so proud of them. Wow. This fire is brought to you by Venus. Don't start carrying campground. That's the fire.
Ay, puta.
Matatanggal mo na doon.
Enjoy lang.
Uy,
Happy watching. Right now, we're making our dinner. Sausage.
winners.
And then we're boiling egg over there. Sausage.
That's it.
Survivalism. What's that?
Take a photo of me.
Okay, wait. What are you cooking in the station?
I'm cooking.
Can I see the...
Japanese ramen.
Show me that.
Bath edition.
Can I see where you got your noodles? Wow. Where's it from?
Japan.
TNT? Oh, Japan.
From Japan. Naruto, Japan.
Buksan mo, buksan mo. Wow, nothing happened.
Nothing happened yet. Calm down, everybody.
Oh, we're putting the table mat. We're putting the table mat after we started setting up
Are we gonna sit down?
the cookings. Hi. So we washed the dishes. We had dinner. What was for dinner?
Rain soup.
Fire.
The fire's on fire.
It's strong. Yeah. Now we're just gonna chill by the fire. What's that?
So we're
What's the
playing
game?
this game, Maiba Taya,
And then?
whoever's the Taya will take a shot right away.
Okay.
I feel like everybody should take a shot first.
No, we're just playing the game. Dali, come on. It's fun.
A game.
Let's go. And the fire.
On top of the fire.
Galingan mo, ha?
Okay,
Okay, what's Taya?
kapag magkaiba, if you're the different one. Like,
The difference. The difference.
so you either do this or that.
Oh, dali na.
It doesn't matter, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Maiba taya. Oh, I see, I see. Ganun ulit, ganun ulit, ganun ulit. Maiba. Gagi. Jolley, focus lang. Biel, Biel. Maiba taya. Oh.
One more.
Game. Iba taya. Oh, very close. Maiba taya.
Karma.
Wala
Baby
man lang.
karma.
Baby karma. Baby karma. Wala pang chaser na. Ito na.
Tubig lang.
At least amoy watermelon.
Congratulations.
Yummy! Yeah, whatever I do.
Parang marami
Paano kung
kami.
maraming inom?
No. Just one.
One person.
Yeah, just one person. Gumaya sa akin, taya. Oh! It's meant to be you. It's meant to be you. Oh. Uy, tignan mo nga yung Pinorviel. Tignan mo kung yung...
She did.
Konti.
Not bad.
Grabe, may bala. Ante, may bala kasi.
Mabilis ang ikot.
Anong vibes dito?
That's better than
Yeah. Really? Yeah. Ay, bigyan niyo na siya ng ano. Absolute dun sa soju bottle. Speechless si ate. Speechless. Oh, gumaya kay Jollery. Because mine is different, that's why. And they both copied Jollery. Gumaya kay Jollery, taya. Oh, all of us? Gumaya kay Jollery, taya. Okay. Gumaya kay Jollery, taya. Gumaya kay Jollery, taya. Oh, all of us! Jollery, taya. Oh! That's Bianca. She's been waiting. Nilawa yung iba. Nilawa yung iba. Ni Jollery. Unfair. Murag ka dito.
patawanin. Bianca, ibuga mo nga dito. Tignan mo ano yung part.
Anong feeling na sober ka?
Okay, ayos.
Bakit ang dami?
May balak siya.
one shot.
So anong gagawin mo, Bianca, na madami ngayon? Oh, iinumin. Cause how we stand in line, wishing that everyone that you be mine. GoPro. Drone.
Okay, gumaya na sa akin na.
Daming memory ni ano.
Wait, I want
Anong gigabyte dapat?
Tignan muna natin yung shot, guys, kung okay ba tayo dun sa ako.
Yeah,
Okay lang.
fair.
See, I'm fair.
No, I was very
Pabida! Pabida! Hindi mo kailangan! Pabida sa camera!
Oh, ikaw nga!
Ikaw nga eh!
Let's focus.
Gumaya!
Kay Bianca, taya.
Oy,
Oh, si Bianca.
Wala.
Wala, di gumagalaw to.
Ganun ginawa.
Gumaya sa Bianca, taya.
Okay ka lang ba? Wala pa!
Dito, ang ingay mo.
Minus 1 point kaya.
Ah, si Jollery. Hindi pa umiinom si Beth. Oy! Okay. Ruben, lumaya kay Jollery, taya. Bayan!
Dali ng plan nyo, whatever dami.
Wait, dito tayo sa kama. Sabi ko, ganun tayo. Sabi ko, ganun siya. Siya yung ganun. Bakit ka
Talaga naging tuwa.
Gumaya sa akin, taya. Oh, si Biel! Sige!
Mataas at
500 ml po for my friend. Bigyan ka tapos mo yung vlog ko.
nandiyan ka pala.
Wow, walang chaser. Good job. Ready na po tayo mag-musical chairs? Isa-isa tayo. Dali na ko lang.
Around the fire?
Ano na tayo dyan pa tayo uupo.
Magka-stop yung music sa timer, di ba?
Oo.
Ready?
Gallery.
What's this one?
Don't worry about it. Uy, masabi ka rin.
Puta niyo, ang hirap na.
Secret!
Oh, para nyo alam nyo, pero dami alam.
Oo, di ko alam. Pamalo ka mo. Ay, disqualified. Disqualified. O, wala na sa Bianca, hindi sumasaya. Nagmamarching lang. Biel!
Okay lang.
Good night for today.
Ako na magsa-stop.
Okay. Hindi yan! Tatlo yan!
Sorry. Sorry, vlog.
Dito. Didn't beep. No, she started. Sabi niya. You didn't beat down the timer.
Para kita sa vlog. Dito yung kuan. Okay. I'm not even gonna bother.
Uy, bother!
You have to bother. Kailangan may isang steps lang tayong ginagawa.
Oh, sige. Biel, anong gusto mong step na gagawin namin?
Hindi pwede isang ano lang. Wala lang gawin gano'n.
Sige.
Sige,
Ganun lang, okay.
Sige lang. Explain mo na.
Lagyan mo na rin ng gano'n.
Patropic. Sige.
Paikot tayo, pagod tayo.
Sorry mo. What is this? Uy!
Masyado ko na sa camera.
Ano yung ginagawa ko?
Hindi ko makaya.
Ayun.
Kasi pahinga muna. Sige, hindi ko makandaan. Ginamitan ako ng lakas. Sabi sa kanya,
Papakalinaw. Sabi niya. Well done, ladies. Well done. Sige lang. Babalik ka pa. Bakit isa lang yung dala mo? Thank you, guys.
lapit.
Can I see it, Bianca? The one you made?
This one.
Wow, so beautiful.
Beautifully made there. This one's for you.
Thank you. Cheers. And then you're gonna look the wood in the eye.
And talk to the wood.
Please sit down. And
Tiger wood.
I really need to do this one. Ay, gaga.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Nice. Sorry.
Galit mo si Ali, mag-please ka.
There. Perfect. Oh, gusto niyo? Ano pa? Order for wood po?
Please, if you can do it, like...